Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuz by Reggie, back with another video. Today, we're gonna be here not too long. We just got an unboxing, right? Shouldn't take all day. But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And yeah, so if you've been on my channel for a little while, you've seen me use Suprent products. You see the Sun-Kissed that I'm using, the Sun-Kissed box that I'm using to hold the camera up. Look at that. Hi. Hey. Sometimes you forget a tripod and you got to make things happen the way it got to happen. But either way, this is the Zeus clipper and trimmer set from Suprent. I've used Suprent before. They have one of my favorite at-home use clippers. This says SuprentPRO, so I'm guessing with these, they are technically aiming at professionals. As far as pricing for this, I actually do not know the price at the moment. If I find it out before I release the video, I'll put it on the screen. But this is a clipper and a trimmer together. Usually the pricing for them for Suprent is not too much, but with this being a pro set, I'm not sure how it's gonna go, right? We got the clipper with 7,000 RPM, 3 hours of, it say 3.5, the 3 hours, where's that? Where's that? Right here. Say 3.5 to 3, but I'm guessing it's supposed to be 3 to 3.5 hours of runtime with 3 hours of charge time. And then the trimmer is 7,000 RPM as well, 5 hours of runtime with 2 hours of charge time. So the clipper takes 3 hours to get a 3 hour charge, a 3 hour runtime, and then the trimmer takes 2 hours to get a 5 hour. I wonder why the difference, if they're in a set, you would think that, but I don't know. I'm not even gonna worry about that. Let's just see what's in the box. We're gonna get this plastic off. This box is actually kind of like their Black Devil box with the all black, with the gold on it. The Black Devil was good. I did not care for the trimmer for them, but that's neither here nor there. That's not what we're here for today. We're here for the Suprent. So let's get this open, see what we got in the box. Beyond Master, I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but we're gonna see. This is the Zeus clipper set from Suprent. Once you open it up, I'm not too big on I know a lot of the clippers are through so-and-so and all these other companies and stuff like that. I'm not too big. But with with the few things looking like babyish, right? This is a very light trimmer. It almost feels like there's nothing in here though. Like, I don't know if that's a good sign or what to feel about that. But let's get this out of here and actually see what's in the box. Got your charger cable, clipper oil, cleaning brush. Suprent always give you a cape. I've never used the cape that comes with it. I get all my capes from Illusion, so I take that. But and it does come with guards. These guards are a little bit less eye appealing than the Black Devil. The Black Devil had those black and gold premium filling guards. These kind of seem just like the basic. They feel pretty sturdy though. Nice weight to them, but you get your guards. They're not numbered, but once you've been using the same guards for a while, you'll figure out the set pamphlet and the comb that probably will be definitely in use. But let's get to the trimmer and the clipper. We're gonna start with the clipper first. Of course, this is a build. Again, looks very similar to a Babyless FX. This is very light as well. Like, they have had home use products that feel more durable, more sturdy, they was more compelling than these, right? But this feels very light. Come with a taper blade, click lever, 4 notches like it usually do on a, see, it got the type C charging. So that's all it is. So that's the only charging capability that it has. Again, does not come with a block though, but nonetheless, of course, you got the display here. Shows you the RPM and the power left in it. It say available time. That's in minutes, so it has 180 minutes left. Not too bad. Nice little hum to it. They look pretty gapped, so we will put them to use. I do like the black steel blade with the gold cutter. I do like that look though, with the, you know, the gold and black accent. So we're gonna see about that. We're gonna put it to use. They feel very, very cheap. They feel very cheap. And this is the trimmer. I did just drop it, but if you can see, it got oil and stuff on there, so it's ready to go. USB. So with this being a clipper and trimmer set, and I know you can just use the clipper, and while the clipper is working, you can put the trimmer on the charge. I understand that, but it only literally comes with one cable. Literally only comes with one cable. But again, I've liked Suprent before. These are not giving me a durable feel of a premium product for it to be professional use, right? Quiet trimmer. I mean, I wish y'all could feel how light these are. I know they look like FXs, but they definitely do not feel durable like the FXs. It is. So this gives you like the metal look and grip and stuff, but it's pretty much plastic. So looks like we'll have to set. Now I'm still gonna try this on somebody first before I set it, but it seemed like I will have to set the trimmer, but we will put it to use. Again, I've used Suprent. I've liked them before. If y'all have heard me talk about the Black Devil, and then it's another, they have a silver clipper. I don't even remember the name of it, but it was like one of my favorites to use. As far as it's been a home branded clipper, but it was still nice to use in the shop. So we'll put these to use. We'll try them out. I don't know how I feel about the. First off, I'm not a fan of the FX clipper anyway because of the length of it. So this is not exciting me to use or to give a go. They did send me these though, so I'm gonna try them out. We're gonna do a review. We're gonna see how they are, how they compare to other clippers that are out on the market. Especially if they, again, I gotta get the pricing for them, but especially if the price is not that much and they're still giving you that premium feel, because especially for beginner barbers or barbers on a budget or barbers that don't want to spend the $200 for certain clippers. If you can find a clipper that costs $35, $45, $50, but still give you that quality, like their Black Devil, I don't see a problem with that. So, yeah, but that's what comes in the package of the Zeus. We will give it a go. We'll give it a try, and yeah, we'll see how it works. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and we will be back with another video, another tutorial, another review, another unboxing very soon. Peace.